This is Mick Cotton's Barbecue. It's a Monday. Dodger game is tomorrow. They should win the World Series. It's a new little video of what I use in my outdoor kitchen for my mom and for my friend Skoggit. We got fires again. It's really windy. I got my chop saw to cut wood. I gotta clean out my smoker. Not that bad. Clean. So I'm gonna go real quick through what I use in my outdoor kitchen. You always gotta have plastic forks and knives that you get from restaurants or from fast food, because you can use them and then just throw them away. You have to have a beer koozie from Texas so you can put your beer in there. 1 beer a day. That's it. I've got spinach. I'll eat that whole thing tonight. That whole big package is like $4. White mushroom. Excellent. Macadamia nuts. Gotta have mac nuts. This is my minced garlic. It's good until 2022. Another 2 years. And mine's almost gone. I use tons of this. It's like $4.99. Garlic for like a year or two. Safflower oil. High heat, vitamin E. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Grapeseed oil. Excellent. Imported from France, but it's not that expensive. High heat. You do not want to burn your oil. It will taste nasty. Especially olive oil. I just drizzle olive oil on stuff, but I don't really cook with it too much. Kikkoman. Soy sauce. We call it shoyu. It's shoyu. And then my favorite, Aloha shoyu from Honolulu. Original blend made in Hawaii. Excellent, excellent. It's got a little sugary flavor. It's really good, man. Then I got my burger smasher. Put a piece of parchment paper. Make burgers. I got my pizza peel. It was like $10-12. Make pizzas. Now here are my utensils. Got a knife. And inside here, I got all the... This is a utility knife. I can go into the jungle or desert and live with this. It's got a flint. It's got water purifier things in there and everything. This is my Bowie knife. Fits right in your hand. You gotta have that. It's all gold plated. It's Bowie knife made in America. Killer. You need a poker for your meat. You need the fillet knife. Look at this. This is it's called a boning knife. Super sharp. And look what my puppy did. He ate the end of it. Chewed it. But he didn't bite this end, luckily for me and for him. Okay, so that's that. Spatulas. Chopping. All solid stainless steel chopping for meat. Got spatula, 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 spatula. 2 grill grate. These tongs, that puppy chewed on these. Look at that. You chewed on them. These are not that good because they go like this and you can't pick. So I'm gonna get a better pair. These were the Weber, and I think they were $7.99. But look, they don't work that good. I got another spatula with a knife and a fork and a cutter. And this is what you gotta, this is a Dexter. You see it? Made in America, USA. It's like $19. 12-inch roast slicer. I have two of these. Look, I have one corrugated and one flat. And this slices meat of a roast or turkey. Perfect. And it's cheap. It's made in America. A good handle. Except for what Pepper did to this one. You know. Look at that. He chewed that up. And then you need a couple plastic forks with hair on them to cook with. The hair will burn up. Okay, so I got the grapeseed oil, the kikkoman, safflower, the minced garlic. For my mom in Portland, Spice World garlic, California grown, ready to use. Half teaspoon equals 1 clove. So 1 tablespoon is 2 cloves of garlic. That's a lot of garlic, and it'll last forever. All right, I'm gonna cook shrimp, spinach, and mushrooms with butter and garlic, and that's it. We'll just have 2 bowls of spinach and shrimp, and it'll be good. All right, this is a short video. Oh, it's 7 minutes. Holy crap. Okay. Mick Cotton's Barbecue, my outdoor grill, all my utensils. Peace, love, and aloha. Bon appetit. Right, Lemmy? He's a tiger.